Something explosive has happened. The field of astronomy has been completely stunned by a slap from space and time. In 2024, astronomers discovered a space-time anomaly, an ultra-ancient black hole named Void X. Although it was born just 1 billion years after the Big Bang, it has already grown to 10 million times the mass of the Sun. That's like a newborn baby growing into a sumo wrestler on its very first day, completely defying our understanding of how black holes develop. Even more astonishing, the rate at which Void X devours matter is 50 times the Eddington limit, consuming the equivalent of 5 Earth masses every second. At the same time, the energy it releases exceeds theoretical values by 5,000%, something that should be impossible. The project's chief scientist wrote in the paper that the existence of Void X is like tearing a hole in the iron laws of physics. Current black hole models are completely unable to explain the abnormal behavior of Void X. Even more bizarre, scientists have detected an extremely high concentration of dark matter particles around it. The distribution pattern of these particles is in serious contradiction with existing theories of dark matter in the universe. This discovery has once again brought Nobel laureate Roger Penrose's theory of conformal cyclic cosmology into the spotlight. He believes that black holes may be bridges connecting different universes, and that Void X could be a fragment of spacetime left behind after the destruction of a previous universe. At this moment, Penrose's conformal cyclic cosmology has suddenly moved from the fringes to center stage. According to this theory, Hawking particles released by evaporating black holes carry the memories of a previous universe, and the ripples in spacetime detected at the core of Void X are very likely the death electrocardiogram of the preceding universe. As Professor Carlos from Cambridge University put it, we are very likely standing in the fissure between two universes, quietly peeking into the secrets of eternal reincarnation. The discovery of Void X overturned humanity's understanding of black holes and made us realize the universe is more complex and mysterious than we imagined. Perhaps in the future, we will find more celestial bodies that shouldn't exist, and Void X is just the first step in unveiling the universe's truth.